Hello and Happy New Year! My name is Kay. Welcome if you're new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you one of my easy go-to recipes. It only takes 3 ingredients and a crock pot. Alright, I'm done talking. Let's write down those ingredients and let's get started. Alright, let's start with these ingredients. First, 1 jar. Make sure it's about a 12-ounce jar of chili sauce. Next, about 2 cups of grape jelly. And last ingredient, about a 2-pound bag of frozen meatballs. Alright, first step, meatballs. Next step, grape jelly. Last step, chili sauce. Now stir. And we're going to let these cook for about 3 to 5 hours. Okay, it's been 4 hours. Let's check on these meatballs, shall we? Oh, they smell so good right now. What do you look at that. Look at that rich color. Oh, delicious. Come join me. Look how gorgeous this is. Look at that rich color on those meatballs. Quickest way to make it into a meal is to add it with rice, vegetables, or even noodles. Well, let's dig in. Oh my gosh. That's really good. It's sweet with a little spice. Just perfect. Well, I hope this video was very helpful for you guys today. And if you like this video, please thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos from me, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know right away when I drop a new video. Well, that's my time today. I'm gonna finish this meal, and I'll see you guys next time. Cooking and kisses. Bye.